Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Peculiar Beauty. In this video I'll be showing you guys I have achieved this ponytail hairstyle. So I actually saw this hairstyle on a YouTuber, so I decided to try it out. So guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. So guys, in this video I'll be using this, like I've used this Brazilian wool before. So when I saw the hairstyle, I thought to give it a try and all that. So I decided to use this my already used wool to achieve this look. Yes, so and that is what I am doing now and all that. So guys, this video is very self explanatory. Yeah, so this is me. I'm just trying to roll it and all that. If you know, since I've been rolling a lot of hair on this channel, I normally use this, rollers for all my DIY. Like if I want to get any coils, I normally use this rollers, yes, to achieve any kind of coils. Yes, like I will always say, you must not be a stylist before you can achieve these coils. Yes, you can easily do it on your own and also take it to salon for them to insert it on you or any kind of hair you want to do. So guys, please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like and share this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Yes, I used as a Brazilian wool for this tutorial since I have this at home. So I decided to give it a try, and this is what it looks like. Yep, this is what it looks like. So let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. If you are going to give this a try, let me know in the comment section. Just the way I am rolling it, just rolling it on top of the rollers and all that. Very easy to roll on the rollers. And then I'm going to put it inside the hot water. Yes, this is my hot water. And
empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers.
thank you so much for everyone that is watching my video, that is showing me love on this channel. I really do appreciate. And guys, this is what it looks like after removing it, like after about a day or so. So I left it to dry. So guys, I did my hair off camera, so and that is that. So I will just be using my rubber band to secure my hair and all that. So taking the hair back and all that, I will be using extra Brazilian wool to round it up. Yes, this is the extra Brazilian wool to round it up. So I want to appreciate those people that is supporting me. I really do appreciate. Please don't forget to like this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, okay? And don't forget to give this video a like. Yes, don't forget to like this video, okay? And guys, this hair is so simple. Maybe you are going for a wedding, you are going for any kind of occasion, this hair suits you. Like very easy to make and all that. So guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Like I said before, this video is self-explanatory, and this is the final look. Guys, what did you think about this video? What did you think about this hair? Did you like it? I love the coils so much. Like I love the coils. The coils is everything. And then I'll be using this Wivon rubber band to hold the hair, like not to hold the hair, actually just to design the hair and all that. So this is what this hair looks like I love this hair so much. Like I took this hair to work and everybody was just staring at me at work like, oh my god, you look beautiful, are you from Nigeria? I said yes, I'm from Nigeria. Like these people say, oh, I love your makeup. I took everything to work. Like this is the second time I'm taking my hair and makeup to work, like because like everybody was just staring at me inside the supermarket. Oh guy, you look beautiful. I was even shy. I wanted to go and clean my makeup and all that because this staring was just too much. Like guy, this is what this hair looks like this is what it looks like. Everybody, Kibela, you are a fine girl, fine girl, fine girl. Kibela means fine girl. And guys, this is a final look. So I will see you guys all on my next video. Bye.